It's a featherweight matchup between Anthony Showtime Pеттis and one of the greatest featherweights of all time, Жозе Альдо. The Brazilian, Жозе Альдо. He grew up on the tough streets in Manaus, Brazil, started his martial arts training in Capoeira, then trained lots of Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. He moved to Rio de Janeiro at age 17 and literally slept on the mats and has evolved into one of the greatest fighters in UFC history.
Жозе Альдо is one of the most explosive and dynamic fighters in the UFC. His leg kicks are second to none, and he has the ability to finish a fight in a fraction of a second.
They call him Showtime. Anthony Pettis, one of the most diverse and exciting strikers in mixed martial arts today. He has trained for over a decade with four-time world kickboxing champion Duke Roufus, who many years ago stated that this kid was special, and he was right, as he is one of the best fighters in the world today.
Anthony Pettis is one of the most flashy but yet effective fighters in the sport today. His Taekwondo techniques combined with Muay Thai and his outstanding ground game make him one of the elite fighters in the lightweight division.
Anthony Pettis steps inside the octagon, and he's ready to fight. Our tale of the tape for this featherweight fight. Both of our fighters are 29. Pettis will have a 3-inch reach advantage. And with the official introductions, here's the veteran voice of the octagon, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this fight is 3 rounds in the UFC featherweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, a Muay Thai kickboxer and jiu-jitsu fighter holding a professional record of 26 wins, 2 losses. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds. Fighting out of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, presenting the former UFC featherweight champion of the world, Жозе Альдо Jr. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, a Taekwondo fighter, holding a professional record of 19 wins, 5 losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 145 pounds. Fighting out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin, presenting the former UFC lightweight champion, Anthony Showtime Pettis. And when the action begins, our referee in charge of the octagon is Mario Yamasaki.
Mario Yamasaki, our referee.
There you go, first round.
Mike Goldberg, my partner is always Joe Rogan. We are set to get things started here in round number 1. Our fight tonight is scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds. White trunks for Aldo, black trunks for Pettis.
Жозе Альдо's knee strikes are amongst the best in the business, and that could play a big factor in this fight. When you look at the way these two fighters line up, look for Жозе Альдо to utilize the knee strike. It's one of his best weapons. Oh!
Joe, if he doesn't start to defend these heavy head kicks, this fight could be over very soon.
And they separate.
Head kick.
Oh, yeah!
Oh, he hit him!
He is hurt here. Oh!
Oh, my goodness! Wow!
He's hurt. Oh, he's going for it here.
Oh!
He got hurt very, very badly.
And he's getting rocked here early.
Huge kick to the head.
Oh, did he snap that kick? Absolutely vicious! Big takedown. Wow!
Big straight punch.
Oh, that's That's a vicious kick.
Oh, head kick. Now he's in full guard. Pettis up again. Энтони Pеттis with a nasty leg kick.
Aldo's left eye is closing up.
There's the kick.
That hook is blocked. Man, big strike.
Oh, head kick. There he is. He got the takedown.
I need you to scramble. Scramble. Let's go. 1 minute left in the round. Work.
Strong hammer fist by Aldo.
Hands up for me. Keep those hands high.
And again, he gets back on his feet. Oh, Жозе Альдо lands a big kick. And Joe, it's the power in those kicks that has separated Жозе Альдо from the...
Whoa! Oh! What a leg kick!
Wow! 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 They are on their feet! Жозе Aldo's lucky to still be in this fight. He was saved by the bell.
He certainly was. That was a big shot that landed right before the end of the fight, and he was in big trouble. Here's a powerful knee that lands and causes the knockdown. And here another big shot lands and another knockdown. And here's a different angle on it.
There's the beautiful Brittany as we get set for round two.
You ready? You ready?
Here we go, round two.
That last round was an all-out brawl. If they continue like that in this round, someone's getting knocked out. Nice right hand. He lands a huge knee. Head kick.
Powerful kick.
He hurt him with that hook. Nice jab. Oh, head kick. Oh! Oh, right on his head. Hard diving punch.
And he's back on his feet. There's a left that connects.
Big kick to the head. Nice takedown. Oh, flying knee.
And with the knee.
Vicious knees. Hard straight punch. Oh, head kick. And he answers. He's trying to stay up. He is in big, big trouble.
Solid jab.
Oh, flying knee. Oh, head kick.
The kick.
Beautiful
That's a big
hand.
left hand. Head kick.
Nice
Oh,
knee
big
by
knee.
him.
Vicious knees.
And again with a knee.
Vicious knee to the body. That's a big shot.
Huge left hand.
That's a
Left
huge
punch.
left.
In full guard here. He
Nicely
passes to half
done.
guard.
Pettis gets it back in his guard.
Back to half guard now. And he reverses position.
Nice transition to the top.
And now he's going to try to stand up, and he does.
20 seconds left.
Relax, everybody. Good. You're doing fine. Stay relaxed. Breathe.
And right to the Muay Thai clinch. That'll do it for round number 2. We saw just about everything in that round.
A great back-and-forth battle. Both guys landing some huge shots. Both guys wobbled. Both guys coming back from that. Really fun action. Here's a perfectly placed kick that results in a knockdown. And here another clean shot lands and another knockdown.
God goes into this last round, you hear me? You're losing this one. You gotta go out there and have faith in your strength.
The lovely Ariani here tonight in New York City.
Here we go, final round. You ready? You ready? Let's go,
5 minutes remains.
Feinting with that kick.
Man, you can see the effect of those punches that have landed because his left eye is really starting to close up.
Kick to the head.
He misses with the straight left. Flying knee.
Oh, big head kick.
Joe.
Oh!
That hurt him.
Boy. Oh! Wow! He dives on him into the guard with that punch.
And it's all over.
He's out cold.
Just like that. Showtime by knockout.
My goodness.
Wow.
Oh, my goodness. Beautiful knockout blow to finish the fight here.
Joe, here's the finish on our fight replay.
And let's take a look at the replay. This is the shot that drops him. Perfect technique. He's clearly in big, big trouble. Let's take a look at it one more time. Here's the knockdown. Vicious strike. Look at this. Boom! And then he's out.
Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Mario Yamasaki has called a stop to this contest at 1 minute, 1 second of the 3rd round. Playing the winner by knockout, Энтони Pettis.
Anthony Showtime Pettis, victorious with the knockout.